In this video, I'll share my thoughts on adding connections on LinkedIn. I'll share, subscribe, and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of videos that are going to content like this. When it comes to adding up connection on LinkedIn, it basically means your co-like entrepreneurs, right? So if I click on these connections right now, the connections I'm gonna be getting is probably gonna be the connections of like content creators here on this platform, right? So let me see what we got as our connections, right? You can see right here that most of the people I'm getting are the connections that I'm getting like for YT content creators, right? You can see all of them. I'm gonna connect with this person, connect with this person. So they are like they're the creators that do the same thing that you do, right? So if I am a graphic designer, I would have been seeing a whole lot of graphic designers right here, right? So but yeah, because this is basically what I do, right? So this is my own, like this is what I do basically, right? So I'm gonna be connected with a whole lot of other YT creators, right? So you can see all of them. So this is just the basic thing about connections, right? You're gonna be connected to the people that do the same thing you do. If I am a graphic designer, I'll be connected with a lot of graphic designer. If I am a let me see I am an affiliate marketer, I'll be connected to affiliate marketers, right? And that is how it goes on. So for you to be able to know how you're gonna be connected to the right people, you're gonna come like you're gonna choose what you do basically, right? You can see mine here, and this is what I do proudly, right? An online entrepreneur on this, right? So I'm gonna be connected to other creators that do the same thing I do. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the very next one.